My name's Andrew York and I'd like to introduce you to the Ropescrew, an invention of mine. Here it is. It's a little one that it's just straight from the factory. It's got nothing in it. It's a method of attaching rope or soft attachments to a spar or a boat, cockpit floor where you can't get underneath. And today we're replacing the spinnaker halyard turning block. We had a spinnaker halyard turning block like this, and the rope was too long to have the spinnaker halyard feed into the cleat. So we've had our rigging department rig the block really tight to the rope screw, and we're now going to install it in the boat. We get our drill. It's the right for the tapping size. We've got a tapered tap, right size for the rope screw. Put her onto slow speed. And back it out. Okay, push the end of the rope and the rope screw in. Screw it down. And we get the last bit with a spanner. And there it is installed. That leads lower than the previous one, so the halyard will line up in the cleat. Thank you.